Hello, Barnaby. I am here.
Shh.
I understand. This is a museum. We must be quiet. Wow! Look at the dinosaur! It is huge! I am over here! Look, Barnaby! It has big legs! It has big legs! The floor is slippery. You are fast. I am going up. 1, 2, 3. Do not worry. I am safe. Hello down there. I am on the head. Uh-oh. The dinosaur is shaking. Catch it, Barnaby. Catch the bone. Oh no! The tail is falling down! That was a fast slide!
You look funny!
You are a scary dinosaur! Roar! The dinosaur is broken. I am very sorry, Barnaby. I made a mess. Let's fix it together. We can do it. This is the leg. This is the leg. Push, push, push. This is the long tail. Good job, Barnaby.
No!
The head is in the wrong place.
Oh?
Yay! The dinosaur is perfect now. Barnaby is very tired. He worked hard. Look at the giant dinosaur bone! I really love this big dinosaur. Wow! This bone is so big! Good night, Barnaby. We are at the aquarium! Today we will see big sea animals. Wow! Everything is blue! Look, Theo, water is all around us. Look at the orange fish! They are clownfish. They are small and fast. I can see many, many fish. The blue ones are my favorite. Wow! Look at the jellyfish! They glow in the dark. So pretty. They are so slow and soft. Be gentle. We just look, okay? Hello, turtle. I like you. Look, it is swimming to you. This is my whale. His name is Blue. Haha, show him the real animals.
This turtle is very old. It is 50 years old.
50? That is older than Grandpa. That tunnel is so big and dark. I am a little scared. Don't worry, I am here. Let's go together. Hold my hand. Fish are everywhere. Up, down, left, and right.
Look up, Theo. Here it comes.
Get ready. Get ready. It is very big. Wow! It is huge! It is a giant manta ray. It is so beautiful. Beautiful! I am not scared now. Look! My turtle came back! It likes you, Theo. Goodbye, turtle. See you again. I love the ocean. This is the best day ever! Let's come back next week.
I am going to visit my sister today. The train to London is now arriving. Oh, that is my train. Oh no, where is my bag?
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What is the problem? What is the problem? My brown bag is missing.
Where did you last see it?
It is small and brown. It has a red key ring.
Please stay calm. Please stay calm.
Excuse me, is this your bag?
Yes! Yes! That is my bag.
I am sorry. I took it by mistake.
It's okay. Mistakes happen.
Next time, I will keep my bag close.
Me too.
Bag. Ticket. Platform. Train. Missing. By mistake.